In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background to black and white in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to desaturate only the background of a photo while keeping your subject in color for a clean professional look. Start by opening Canva in your browser. From the home page, choose any design size or open a template that fits your project. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, or any canvas you prefer. The size won't affect the technique we're about to use. Next, head to the left sidebar and open the Uploads tab. If your image isn't there yet, upload it from your computer. Then insert the image onto your canvas by dragging it in or clicking to add it. Make sure the image is selected so the editing options appear. With the image selected, click Edit. Depending on your version of Canva, this may appear as Edit Photo. In the editing panel, choose Adjust. If you don't immediately see the targeting options, click the small arrows or expanders at the top of the panel to reveal more choices. You're looking for the selection options that let you specify where your adjustments apply. Select Background so your edits affect only the background area of the image. This is the key step that keeps your subject untouched while you modify the background. Now lower the saturation. Drag the saturation slider down until the background becomes grayscale. Reducing it all the way removes color completely, giving you a true black and white background. If you want a softer effect, you can stop partway for a muted look. After that, lower the brightness slightly to enhance contrast and make your subject pop against the black and white background. A gentle reduction usually looks natural, but you can adjust it to suit your image. Watch the edges of your subject as you tweak these controls to keep the transition looking clean. When you're happy with the look, close the Adjust settings to return to your canvas. Finally, resize your image to fit your layout by dragging the corner handles or using the resize options, making sure your composition feels balanced within the template. If anything doesn't look right, you can always undo, reopen Adjust, and fine-tune the saturation and brightness while background is selected. This workflow gives you precise control and keeps your subject in full color without manual masking. And that's it. Open Canva, place your image, edit with Adjust, target the background, lower saturation and brightness, close the panel, and resize to finish.